Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Will. In this video, I want to show you guys a method of taking your stock data and basically merging all of that data into a single sheet so that we end up with all of our data with our column titles and then a column that basically tells us what the stock data is. Okay. This isn't the only way to do this. We could also just go copy and paste. But another way is to actually use a separate blank Excel file, which I've got one here. And we're going to use this get data in our blank data file in order to reference this data here so that we can collect all of our data into a single sheet. So let's select get data here, and we're going to select from file and then from Excel workbook. Okay. Now make sure you've got your file here saved in a location that you know about. It's got your two new stocks in there. But for me, I've just got my stock data saved here in my downloads. So I'm just going to select that. Wait for it to load. And as you'll see, you'll be presented with this menu option here. Basically, what you want to do from here is you just want to click on one of your stocks. Okay, it doesn't matter which one. And you'll see why when we do it. So I'm just going to click Dow. Now I'm just going to hit load. Okay. And it now has got this data queried into this Excel file. If we right click on this, we'll be able to edit the query. Okay, just wait for PowerQuery Editor to open up. Okay. Now what we want to do is we want to unselect change type, promoted heads, and navigation. So we just want to have the source there. Okay. And as you can see, these are each of the sheets and all of the stocks that we had in the other sheet. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to expand out the data so that we got all of the different column headings. Right. And what you'll notice is that our data headings don't actually have the correct heading yet, but I'll show you guys how to resolve that in a second. So this is all of our data from all of our different sheets in the same file, right? So I'm just going to select close and load to. One thing you could select is this add column menu option and make your return column in here. But you can also do it once you load it. So I'm just going to load it back to the sheet. And here we go. Now I've got a single sheet, Dow AX, that has now got all of my data collected into a single sheet. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to select these column headings. I'm just going to copy them, and then I'm going to paste them where I've got these headings. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is you notice how we've got these column headings here that we don't really want. It'd be better if they weren't there. I'm just going to filter them out. So strings always appear at the bottom. So if you filter out low here, that'll get rid of all of the column headings. Okay. So now what we have here is a single sheet that has all of the stock data loaded together. Okay. So if we go Control A on this data here, Control C to copy it, then what we can do is in this sheet over here, in our sheet 2, we're just going to paste all of our values like that. And now I'm just going to select all of my column headings and paste them over like this. Okay? And now I've got a single sheet with all of the values in a single sheet in my original file. Okay? So I'll see you guys in the next video.